My Pepe coin holders, I've got a video for you guys. Pepe versus reality. What is going on? How high can Pepe really go? Or is the top in for meme coins? We're going to be talking about that. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. I have another video for you guys. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys. So we are looking at the Pepe daily time frame, and we are flirting with the bearish super trend of this cycle right now. Really for the entire Pepe chart since the inception of Pepe, really. And right now we are flirting with a extremely important level here. If we were to break down below this yellow line, I will say that, hey guys, we're probably looking for a much longer consolidation and probably more price action to the downside for Pepe. But right now we are still postured to the upside, my friends. So really we need to be paying very close attention to this level here. And if you've been watching the Crypto Report for a while now, I just have this purple line here. That's when it was listed on Robinhood, and it's pretty uncanny because, you know, the saying of you should sell when major exchange listings happen is true. It's showing that, you know, after this, we saw like a little bit of a higher move, but really, if you were to sell right here when Pepe was listed on Robinhood, you would have been a very, very happy person right now, because since that point, if you were to measure where we came from to where we're at now, you are talking about a 63 to 64% drawdown. That is nothing to scoff at. That is a significant move to the downside. Now, I do want to emphasize, though, guys, that yes, right now, I do think that Pepe is holding strong here, but really, we're in a make or break situation here. If we bounce off of this, I'm going to say, okay, we're probably going to get some relief, and we really need to close above 4012177, this blue line here. And if we break down below this, I'm probably going to be opening up some short positions, because I do think that we're probably going to be selling off and moving to the downside for a significant amount of time. If you guys want to take advantage of this volatility, because there will be big moves probably happening this week, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin, as well as 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. There's also a trading competition going on right now. So if you sign up in the next, I think, 3 or 4 days here, you'll be joining my trading team. And if we are the winners, we can split $5.6 million, my friend. So a nice little trading competition to reward us to take advantage of this volatility. So where is Pepe right now? Pepe's sitting at rank 30, down 4.74% in the past 7 days, down about 1% in the past 24 hours, sitting at a $4 billion market cap. I'll be honest with you guys, we've been kind of just stuck around this $3.9 to $4.2 billion market cap for kind of a decent amount of time here. There's not really been that much happening since the month of February after we saw that big capitulation event. A lot of people got wiped out. It was a $2 billion liquidation event, and some exchanges are even reporting that it's closer to an $8 to $10 billion liquidation event. But that is what you need to see happen to see the price move. It calms the market down for a little bit. And, you know, if you were looking at Bitcoin, it was screaming, and we'll take a look at Bitcoin shortly, because the types of wicks we were seeing here, all these liquidity grabs, we needed that flush out, and that's exactly what we got. Over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333Blacksea. I say, what if altcoin season went extinct in 2021? Now, I don't necessarily think that that happened, but I will say that since 2021, Bitcoin dominance has just been moving to the upside, guys. And this time is a little bit different. I think that, like Cronos, the god of Crow down here says, no QE, no party. No quantitative easing, no party. I can get behind that idea here. You know, you zoom out here on Bitcoin dominance, we've just been moving to the upside for literally going on 3 years now, guys. In this ascending, well, it's really a rising wedge that we broke down and we're back in. We've been moving to the upside since we've been in quantitative tightening. There's not a lot of liquidity moving around. It's tough to get retail investors to move in and buy meme coins when they're struggling to buy eggs. They're concerned about the price of eggs and milk and everyday groceries. It's tough to get them to speculate on massive risk-on assets like Pepe, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and all these other coins. And a lot of these newer coins, they put their money in and they get rugged immediately. And then that money just gets pulled out and extracted out of the cryptocurrency space. This is a little bit different, guys. And I'm not saying that I believe that we're never going to see altcoin season again, but I am saying that things need to change in the macroeconomics of the world before we see anything like we did back in 2021, where we saw this massive altcoin season as Bitcoin dominance fell all the way down to 40%. I think some things need to change in the macroeconomics of the world before we see that play out. Now, a little bit of copium for the bulls on altcoin season. If you look at this looks pretty bearish. You see this massive blow off top. Some people are calling it a shooting star candle. It's not really. If anything, like this is kind of a shooting star candle. And we're starting to break down. We're testing this again. Let's break down below this. If we start breaking down below this, I'm going to say, hey guys, probably looking for a little bit of relief for some alts. And I do want to emphasize, when you look at Pepe, you look at the daily time frame. Let's see if we have it on the weekly. We don't have it on the weekly yet, but we are seeing a little bit of a green candle on the weekly. That's nice to see. But on the daily, we are seeing bottom signals on Market Cipher. You're seeing the 2 green dots on volume, but also the money flow is pretty red. And I am leaning towards the idea here. Yes, on the yellow line, posturing to the upside, that's bullish. But if we break this support, I'm going to be concerned about Pepe and altcoins. Now, guys, I know that you don't like when I'm a bear, and I know you don't like that, but I just want to tell you how I'm seeing this market. I want to be transparent with you guys, and I put my money where my mouth is. I was short on many altcoins for the past couple weeks. Right now, and I was only shorting to hedge against my spot positions, but right now, I'm saying, hey, it's probably a good time to see a potential bounce to the upside, because I think that the overall market is so short on alts right now, and there is so much liquidity sitting at $110,000 on Bitcoin right about at this level. There's so much liquidity sitting there. The exchanges want that liquidity. They want to be licking their lips, taking your money. So be prepared to see a volatile swing to the upside. You know, you have a green dot on Market Cipher down here on the daily for Bitcoin as well. Wouldn't be surprised to see this start to bottom out here and start to see some big rips to the upside, especially get to the top of this channel here around $109,000, $110,000. I think that's very likely. So we need to be paying very close attention to this. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please go follow me at 333blacksea on Instagram. If I can get to 1,000 followers in the next 72 hours, I will give one of you guys $1,000 to buy this dip. I want to give back during trying times, and really I just like giving back to you guys, whether the market's going up or going down, because I appreciate you guys watching. It means a lot. But that's all I really got, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about Pepe and altcoin season. Do you think Pepe is going to see a massive move to the upside? To be quite frank with you, I am getting ready to position myself to maybe buy a little bit more spot. I think opening longs right here is aggressive. It probably will be very lucrative for some, but I am more comfortable buying spot right now. I'm buying some of these dips. Pepe is, I'm kind of confident in Pepe. I think that if any time would be a good time to be buying the dip, would probably be about now. But if we were to break below that bullish super trend line, then I probably would be looking to set a stop loss to get out of that position. But lots of exciting volatile times are ahead of us here, guys. I do expect a big move in the next week, and probably leading into the end of February into March. So be very, very patient, guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.